Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify StockX account. First, you have to go to stockx.com and here you will find profile icon. You must need to log into your account, then you'll find this type of people icon. You must need to click on it. And then in the profile section, you will find the details. Make sure the details is correct and perfect. Then you will need to go to the settings, and then in the account settings section you will find two-step verification. You just need to click on turn on to turn on the two-step verification on your account. Now after adding the two-step verification, your account will be secured. Now click on it, and then you have to enter an active phone number to get a code for and to register that phone number as a two-step verification method in your account. Then when you enter the phone number, you will get code, and then enter the code there, and you will find that your two-step verification is completed. You also can go with your email address. That's how you can verify your StockX account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.